Hello everyone. Do you want to learn Python automation and also prepare for the interviews? Yes. In this video, I will explain the top 10 Python automation questions with simple examples. Okay. Make sure to watch till the end because the last question is used in the real world projects. Let's come to first question. What is Python automation? First and foremost question, we should know what is Python automation. Python automation means using Python programs to perform repetitive tasks automatically. Understand? Using Python program, we are going to perform the repetitive task automatically. Examples: organizing the files like say for example, you have a folder, in that you have videos, images, audios, documents, etc. Organizing videos into videos folder, images into images folder, documents into documents folder is nothing but organizing the files. That will be performed by the Python automatically. Screenshots. Taking screenshots also can be done by Python automatically. Creating Excel reports, creating Excel files, all those things can be performed by Python. Downloading images automatically. So, like this, Python saves time and manual work by doing automatically. Let's come to second question. Why is Python best for automation? Let's see why Python is best for the automation. Because it's a very popular language. Why it's very popular? Because of its simple syntax. And then we have large number of built-in libraries in a Python. And we can use those Python by importing them in a script. And it's a cross-platform support. And Python is very easy to learn. So, this is why now in current market many companies are using Python for their automation. Okay. Next question. Which libraries are used for Python automation? As previously I told, Python provides built-in libraries. So, what are the main libraries or mostly used libraries in Python? Means OS. OS library will be used for file operations. SHUIUTIL. This library is used for file moving. Okay. PyAutoGUI library is used for mouse and keyboard automation. Okay. Selenium, very important. Selenium is used for web automation. Okay. I will make videos for Selenium separately in future. For now, let us know Selenium library is used for web automation. And very important, Pandas is used for Excel automation. Example, here I have given a simple example. We are importing PyAutoGUI for mouse and keyboard automation, right? See, to take screenshot, we will use manually, we use shift keyword and print screen keyword, right? So, instead of using keys, we use PyAutoGUI library in Python. Okay. First import this library and dot screenshot function will take screenshot and that will name that as a screen.png image. That will be saved in a image format. Screenshot will be taken and saved in a image format. Okay. Let's move to next question. How to organize files automatically? Let us understand. Python can organize files in a folder. A folder can have images, videos, recording, I mean voice records, documents, text document, PDF documents. So example, take download folder, it will be a very messy folder. It will be having many different file types. So in order to organize those files, images into a images folder, separate folder, videos into one separate folder, documents into one separate folder, we use Python to organize those files. Okay, first we import OS, as I already told. OS library will be used for file operations. So we are importing OS, and then SHUTIL. This library is used for moving files, right? So here we are moving videos into one folder, images into one folder, documents into one folder. So we are using this library, and we are using for loop, and then finding the image file types and moving them into a images folder. This script will move all images into a folder name called images automatically. Okay, this is an example script to move image files into a images folder. Okay, we'll move to next question. How to take automatic screenshot? I already mentioned previously, Python can take screenshot automatically using PyAutoGUI library. First we import our PyAutoGUI library and we use screenshot function, and the taken screenshot will be saved with the name screen.png. Okay, and remember, you can also schedule screenshots every few seconds. Okay, next question. How to automate Excel using a Python? This is very important. Many account based companies will use Excel automation. Okay, Python can create and manage Excel files using Pandas. Pandas is a very important library to work with Excel files. Example, import pandas as PD. We are importing pandas library here, and then this is a name column, okay, with a and B and marks 90 and 85 each. This is a data in an Excel sheet. They are converting into a data frame. Finally, the data frame is converted to a Excel, and the Excel file name is named as marks.xlsx. So this script will create an Excel file called marks.xlsx automatically with this data. Okay. Seventh question, how to send automatic emails? Okay. Python can send emails automatically. Yes. This email automation is very useful for daily reports, like for example, a company want to send cut of 24 hours data to a management or managers. So we use this email automation and notifications and alerts. Okay. So for all these things, Python can be used here. Next, we'll come to how to automate website. This is most important. Python can control web browsers using Python tools. Okay. Example, login automatically. We can go to a website and we can log in using credential automatically using websites. We use Selenium here. Okay. We can download the reports from the websites, and we can fill the data. Example, Google Forms. We can fill the form data and send automatically. Okay. Next, real life uses of Python automation. Some real uses are file organization, as I already mentioned, file organization, screenshot automation, data entry automation, filling Excel data, all these things we use Python automation. Excel report generation, web scraping. So, in all these use cases, we use Python automation. Automation saves hours of manual work. This is important. At last, you should know what skills are needed for Python automation. Before going to learn Python automation, you should learn Python basics. Okay? Next, loops, for loop, if loop, all those things. Conditions. Okay? Libraries, very important. We should know what library is used for what purpose. Example, pandas we use for Excel, NumPy we use for numerical calculations. Like that, we should learn and we should have knowledge about libraries. And then problem solving. Once you know all these things, you can automate many tasks. Okay. If you want more Python automation tutorials and projects, subscribe to channel videos and check my other videos on a Python automation. Okay. Thank you.